Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers Club. The first question, you are asked to construct a massive dam. The type of cement you will use is option A ordinary Portland cement, option B rapid hardening cement, option C low heat cement, and option D blast furnace slag cement. Here the correct answer is option C low heat cement. Always remember that massive structure is constructed with low heat cement. Next question, separation of coarse aggregates from mortar during transportation is known. Option A bleeding, option B creeping, option C segregation, and option D shrinkage. Here the correct answer is option C segregation. Segregation is the process by which coarse aggregates get separated from rest of the concrete. Next question, for road pavements the cement generally used is option A ordinary Portland cement, option B rapid hardening cement, option C low heat cement, and option D blast furnace slag cement. Here the correct answer is option B rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement is used for road pavement. Next question, internal friction between the ingredients of concrete is decreased by using option A less water, option B fine aggregates, option C rich mix, option D more water and coarse aggregates. Here the correct answer is option D more water and coarse aggregates. Internal friction between the ingredients of concrete is decreased by using more water and coarse aggregates. Next question, the rock which is not calcareous is option A limestone, option B MSCL, option C chalk, option D laterite. Here the correct answer is option D laterite. The rock which is not calcareous is known as laterite. Next question, workability of concrete is measured by option A Vicat apparatus test, option B slum test, option C minimum void method, and option D Talbot Richard test. Here the correct answer is option B slum test. So workability of concrete is measured by slum test.